नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I, Jbin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic Body Mass Index (BMI) procedure. Belongs to topic Human Anatomy and Physiology. Human Anatomy and Physiology for the B Pharm second semester. So this is a very important topic uh, for the different type of procedure and find out the basal mass index. Uh, Now we come to the basal mass index. Basal mass index procedure. Firstly, required equipment, tape, measure, scale, pen, clipboard, fitness, testing, recording, form. Procedure. First one is describe the testing protocol to the client. Uh, client, I am going to calculate your BMI by weighing you and measuring your height. Second is measure the client's height. Ensure the client removes their shoes. Ensure they stand up straight with their heels against the wall. Record their height in meters. And third one is measure the client weight. Ensure they remove their shoes and wear minimal cloth. Record their weight in kilograms. Last one is use the formula below the calculate the client BMI. So now we come to the formula and calculation. Formula and calculation: BMI is equal to basal mass index is equal to weight in kilogram upon height in meter. BMI weight in kilogram and height in meter into meter. So this is the formula of the calculation of the BMI. So now we come to the normative and comparative data according to basal mass index. Less than 18 years, you are very underweight and possibly malnourished. 18.1 to 20, you are underweight and could afford to gain a little weight. 21.0 to 26, you are a healthy weight range for young and middle-aged adult. Uh, 26.1 to 30, you are you are overweight, and less than 30, you are obese. So now we come to the what is body mass index. What is body mass index? Body mass index is an estimate of body fat based on height and weight. It does not measure body fat directly, but instead uses an equation to make an approximation. BMI can help determine whether a person is at an unhealthy or healthy weight. A high BMI can be sign of too much fat on the body, while a low BMI can be a sign of too little fat on the body. The higher a person BMI, the greater their chances of developing certain series conditions such as heart disease and high blood pressure and diabetes. So while BMI can be useful to screening children and adults for the body weight, problem it does have its limit. BMI overestimate the amount of body fat in athletes and other people with very muscular bodies. It may also underestimate the amount of body fat in older adult and other people who have lost muscle mass. So BMI is calculated by dividing a person weight by square their height. The Centers for Disease Control and Preventive provides a simple online child and teen BMI calculator for ages 2 to 19 and an adult BMI calculator trusted source for ages 20 and older. Body mass index for children. Body mass index for children, BMI is interpreted differently for people under age 20, while the same formula is used to determine BMI for all age groups. The implication for children and adolescents can vary depending on age and gender. The amount of body fat changes with age. It's different in young bodies and girls. Girls usually acquire a higher amount of body fat and develop it earlier than boys. So, what is the example of BMI? Example of BMI for children. For children, the teens, the CDC uses age group charts source to show BMI as a percentile ranking. Each percentile express the child BMI relative to other children of the same age and gender. For example, a child would be considered obese. They had a BMI that landed or above 95 percentile. This means that they have more more body and fat than 95% of children in the same age and gender category. So this is the complete protocol of the human anatomy and physiology practical to perform the basal mass index procedure. um, Thank you. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in some comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.